Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and today we're going to sort of have a go at picking a lock with the wrong hand. So I am right-handed, and I would hold my pick like this, and I've been picking for a couple of years now, and I've never ever thought once to try and pick with my left hand. In fact, I just the sheer thought of it just is like crazy. Why would you? But Leon's lock pad has reached 1,500 subscribers, and he has a competition for some excellent prizes running at the time of recording this video, where he wants people to pick either a lever lock or a standard pin tumbler with their opposite hand to normal and post a video of it, and the fastest time of somebody picking the lock and gutting it with their opposite hand to normal is in a chance of winning some awesome prizes. Now, I don't really want to enter the competition to win anything, but I do want to enter to show my support for Leon's channel, because Leon's been a big supporter of my channel, and he is just an awesome guy and a great picker, has a great channel, and it's nice to support people. But the other reason is I thought it'd be interesting just to explore the idea of picking with your other hand and how it would feel. In fact, I'm going to take this lock, which is just a standard 6-pin era, I don't have the key for, and I'm going to pick it on camera with my left hand for the first time. I'm hoping that this won't take too long, and that I'll be able to talk you through what I'm feeling and how it feels. Now, there should or might still be time for you to enter the actual competition to actually win some prizes. So please go check out the links I've left for Leon's lockpad, and see if you can't subscribe to his channel and see what he gets up to as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's explore me trying to pick and gut a lock with the wrong hand. I wonder what it feels like. Okay, we're in the vise, and I'd normally do like top of the keyway tension on this, but I don't think I can do that. So I'm going to try and tension with my right hand, which just feels so wrong already. I guess I'm going to try a pick that I'm used to and comfortable with, which is like my Southwold Max 07B. I'm going to try and go. Even going into the lock feels weird. Right. Okay, we got the pick in. That's a bonus, right? Pull it back. What's binding? So far, nothing. Interesting. Okay, pin 4-ish. He says completely guessing at this point. Pin 1. Oh, pin 1 clicked. There's an actual click on a pin. And it feels like a pin at the back's a bit stuck. So does that mean it's binding? Can I get under it? Yeah, okay, good. I'm under the pin. Does that into a false set? Oh my goodness. This is my first left-handed spool setting. It is. I think that's the first spool I've ever set with my left hand. Well, it's the first time for everything, isn't there? So 6, nothing. 5, nothing. 4. There must be something left to pick in here. What am I not picking up on? Probably everything. Is that it there? Okay, I think we're on a pin here. Maybe I'll swap to a higher reach pick, the gem maybe? Would that help me? It feels like I've got counter rotation there. Oh, we've got an open and I've removed the circlip at the back. Wow, that is my first ever, first ever lock picks with my left hand. That is so bizarre. Right, I suppose that I've got to try and continue with this. How would I normally gut this lock? How would I normally do it? Just trying to think actually. Find this tweezers. So normally I guess I push my right hand. So do I swap it over and push my left? I don't know. I guess I have done it both ways. Now I'm confused to how I actually gut locks. I never thought I would. So if I'm doing it left-handed, would I do it like that? Or would I hold it in my right hand or do it like this? Which feels less comfortable? Well, this feels less comfortable. So I'm going to go with the less comfortable approach. But it doesn't feel that bad actually, all being said and done. So I normally tip it out like that, so I'm going to try and do it with my left hand. So it's going to, so just do it in reverse. That should be easy enough. Oh, but I've got to use the tweezers in the other hand, don't I? That's going to be awkward. Not really tried that. Oh, that feels, even that feels a bit weird. Okay, well, I'll keep going. I don't think I had to do the gutting completely left-handed as well, but I thought it would be worth giving a go. This does feel weird. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, now still holding the tweezers with my left hand, which is weird. I'm going to try and get these pins out in a sensible manner. And rotate them to go. That's one is standard. 2 is a spool, it looks like. 3 is a spool. I definitely felt those two. The rest felt like standards, but I could be wrong. Oh, no, there's another spool. Very long key pin there, so it's possible that I didn't have to set these spools in positions 4 and 5. And then lastly but not least is a little standard pin again. Okay, I think actually that's the other way up, looking at the wear markings. Okay, cool, right, I'll put this down, and then I would normally hold it in my right hand, so I'm going to hold this with my left hand, and there you go. Well, actually no, I suppose I wouldn't, would I? I'd normally do the other way around because of the tweezers. So what you see here is we've got all standard key pins, and pin 1 is standard driver pin, and all the rest are spools up until pin 6, which is also a standard. Phew, wow, that was good fun. I think you should all give this a go too. It's really like learning to pick again. It's weird, but it is possible to do. You just have to go back to those first principles of like feel for a binder, push it up, see what happens. I don't think I'll be doing it very often though, that's for sure. All right, hope you found that entertaining, and I'll see you all next time.